class, today we see how we can solve this problem on the board. Calculate the distance from B to C in the given right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle, and not just a triangle, but a right angle triangle because it has an angle of 90 degrees. From A to B is 90 degrees at this point here. So we're asked to calculate the distance from B to C. Now, for you to solve this problem, you need to understand the laws and the principles involved in solving a particular problem, like I will always tell you. Now, you have to introduce Pythagoras theorem. At this very point, we have to introduce what? Pythagoras theorem. And what is Pythagoras theorem saying? Pythagoras theorem states that the square of the hypotenuse side, this is hypotenuse, the side that is slant is known to be the hypotenuse, is equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Now, what is this telling us? The square of the side of AC is equals to the sum of the other two sides, which is what? AB square plus BC square at that point. Now, if you look at this now, AC is given to us, AB is given, but this BC is not given. That is the distance which we're asked to look for, B and C. So now this will be nothing but AC. You have to substitute the value for that given side, which is what? 17. That will be nothing but 17 raised to the power of 2 equals to what? The side of AB is what? 8 raised to the power of 2 plus BC is what we are actually asked to look for. That is how it is being written. B, C, this, and we have this. All right. Now, 17 raised to the power of 2 is nothing but what? 289 equals to 8 raised to the power of 2 is nothing but what? 64. Plus B, the side of BC raised to the power of 2. This is Pythagoras theorem. And now, what we need to do at this very point is for us to collect like terms. And this will be nothing but 289. This person here will move from the right to the left. Like I always tell you, that if you are moving a value from left to right, the sign changes, or from right to left, the sign changes from the initial sign that was given to us. And this is nothing but 289. This is positive sign there, moving from right to left, separated by the equal sign there. So the sign changes to minus. We have 289 minus 64. And we're left with what? BC, the side of BC square. Now 289 minus 64 is nothing but what? 200.